troubleshooting an LG top-load washing machine door that will not close properly. There are a few reasons the door on your LG top-load washing machine might not close properly. Let's go over some troubleshooting steps. If you have a pedestal washer, are you seeing a code message on the display? If you see DE1 on the display, this indicates that the drawer is not closed properly. In this case, open and reclose the drawer and see if that clears the display code. A DE2 display code indicates that the drawer is closed but not locked. To clear the code, turn off the washer, open the drawer and restart the cycle, then close the drawer. If either code persists, close the house water taps and unplug the washer. The unit will require a repair service. Please visit our Request a Repair page. A top-load washer door may not close properly if the door has been damaged. If the door is damaged, please visit our Request a Repair page. Also check if the door is loose and if the hinge is working smoothly. If the door has been removed and replaced, it may not have been tightened securely. The door can also become loose if anything has weighted it down, such as draping clothing or other items over the door while filling or emptying the machine. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.